Welcome to another episode of the doTERRA Show. Today we're spotlighting the warm and spicy and multi-purpose ginger essential oil. Known for its rich aroma and incredible versatility, ginger essential oil is one of my absolute favorites. Did you know that ginger has been used for centuries in both cooking and wellness traditions? From ancient Chinese and Ayurvedic practices to modern kitchens worldwide, ginger has stood the test of time. And when it's distilled into an essential oil, you get all that goodness in a pure and powerful form. Whether you're looking to spice up your baking, enjoy a soothing tea, or create a luxurious body scrub, ginger essential oil can do it all. Today, we're going to show you 3 fun and simple ways to incorporate this incredible oil into your daily life. The most delicious ginger snap cookies, a cozy ginger lemon tea, and a refreshing ginger lemon body sugar scrub. Let's get started. First up, we're baking ginger snap cookies. These cookies are warm, spiced, and perfect for sharing or keeping them all to yourself. Start by preheating your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Here's what you'll need. In a medium bowl, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Sift together the flour, baking soda, salt, and spices. This ensures even mixing, set aside for later. In a large bowl, 3/4 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Cream the softened butter with the granulated and brown sugars. Beat until the mixture is light and fluffy. This adds air to the dough, giving your cookies that perfect texture. 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of molasses, 2 drops of doTERRA ginger essential oil. Next, mix in the molasses, egg, and 2 drops of doTERRA ginger essential oil. This oil enhances the flavor with its rich, warm spice. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring gently until combined. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls and coat each in raw cane sugar for an extra touch of sweetness and texture. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving space between each. Bake for 11 to 13 minutes or until the edges are set and the tops are beautifully cracked. Let them cool slightly before enjoying the warm, spiced perfection of these cookies. Imagine serving these cookies at a party or enjoying them with a warm beverage. They're cozy, flavorful, and just the right amount of sweetness. Speaking of warm beverages, let's move on to our next recipe, ginger lemon tea. It's simple to make and perfect for those moments when you need a little comfort. Boil water and steep tea bag or herbs for about 5 minutes. Once your tea is ready, add 2 drops of doTERRA ginger essential oil and 2 drops of doTERRA lemon essential oil. For an extra zing, squeeze in a slice of fresh lemon. It's optional, but so worth it. Stir it all together and enjoy this soothing and flavorful blend. Ginger adds a warm, spicy kick, while lemon brings a refreshing citrus note. Together, they create a balance of comfort and brightness that's hard to beat. This tea is like a warm hug in a mug. It's perfect for chilly mornings, relaxing evenings, or anytime you need a quick, homey pick-me-up. Now that we've got tea and cookies, let's move on to a little self-care. This ginger lemon body sugar scrub is easy to make and feels like a spa treatment at home. Here's what you'll need for this scrub. 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped lemon peel or zest, 1/2 teaspoon of minced ginger, 3.5 tablespoons of doTERRA fractionated coconut oil, 5 drops of doTERRA ginger essential oil, 5 drops of doTERRA lemon essential oil. Stir everything together until well blended. Then transfer it into an airtight container. To use, scoop out a small amount and rub it gently on your skin in circular motions. The sugar exfoliates, the coconut oil hydrates, and the essential oils leave your skin feeling soft and smelling amazing. This scrub is perfect for starting your day off fresh and cleansed or unwinding after a long day. Plus, it makes a thoughtful homemade gift for friends or family. There you have it, 3 amazing ways to use doTERRA Ginger Essential Oil in your daily life. From cookies to tea to self-care, Ginger Essential Oil adds a special touch to everything you create. Thanks for joining us for this episode of the doTERRA Show. We hope you feel inspired to try these recipes and experience the magic of ginger essential oil for yourself. Let us know how they turn out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more essential oil tips, recipes, and DIYs. Until next time, happy creating!